single arm lat pull down. So this is, you can use a tabletop, this one. It's gonna be the reverse of a lat pull down. Rather than pulling your lat down, you're gonna move your body down. And you're just gonna do one side at a time. So I'll start with any flat surface, and I'm gonna press my hand down into the surface. So I'm squeezing with my lat, pressing down, and then I'm gonna slowly walk backwards as I press down. So I'm pressing down this way, and I'm moving my hands back to lengthen my lat, and also apply pressure into the shoulder to realign it. And I'm continuing to press down as I walk my feet back up. That'll be 1 rep. You can go back down into it. Still pressing down the whole time, lengthening the lat, realigning the shoulder. Still pressing down. And I'm keeping my hips square with the tabletop. I'm not moving away. I'm staying in line next to it. Keeping my shoulder in line.